Philadelphia Federal Credit Union Kensington Kinetic Sculpture Derby event over the years underscores our promise to invest in the communities that we serve.
Hey, you make a movie?
We are about the Derby.
After we issued the call for entries, we chose the workshop school because they apply project-based learning into real-world applications. PFCU's financial educator visited the school to help teach the students how to prioritize expenses and make adjustments to stay within budget. They wanted to create 2 different sculptures, and that showed their commitment to really wanting to participate in this derby.
The first one welded the 2 tandem bikes together. Then one of the students was like, how about if we're the workshop brain? So we projected an image of a brain onto a huge piece of plywood. They traced it out, cut it out, and brought it to life.
And then the second team created a toolbox, which I thought was really clever.
They bought a mountain bike. They tried to weld a trike to the mountain bike, but they were unable to steer it. So then they had to scrap that idea. And then they decided that they wanted to weld a super long trike, which was awesome. The overall game plan for both of us was to incorporate what the students felt that the workshop school was and to show how it's different from other schools.
How you feeling?
Excited.
Y'all know, y'all know who riding it?
What's your favorite part about the sculpture you guys built?
Probably the work in the end finish. Because when you do something and you see it's done and it's like the end product, you get a real good feeling.
All right, get a helmet, get on, let's go. The Muppet is, you'll see. You'll see.
I hope they don't break.
They're staying together through the whole race?
No, no way, no way.
I support y'all on the sidelines.
Right up there.
It's a huge event because it gives people an opportunity to come out of their houses and enjoy the community.
I'm a fish town, 65 years living on this planet.
You have a favorite ride out here?
All of them.
They peruse around the neighborhood and they come on back around and they get geared up to go through the mud.
The thing I'm worried about is the pick.
Worried about the mud.
You won't get the most mud on you?
I'd like to kick off the award ceremony by recognizing incredible participants of the Derby today. Cheers.
The team did take home the Best Engineering Award. We're so happy that they won this award, and it's something that they'll keep with them for the rest of their lives.
Shout out to PFCU for actually funding the winning team and some kids. Give them some love.
Do it again next year too?
Oh, we're definitely doing it. There's no question. We'll do it.